You searched how to buy shares of DoubleDown Interactive Co Ltd. DoubleDown Interactive is a developer of social casino and mobile games listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DDI. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will usually have to verify your identity with an official ID and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker DDI to find DoubleDown Interactive. Confirm you have selected the correct NASDAQ listing from the search results. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movement. Check the company name, the NASDAQ exchange, and the DDI ticker to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once filled, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.